That one silver line on your car door will drive you absolutely mad. You see it every morning. It glints in the sun while you walk through the parking lot. It is the only thing you notice when you look at your vehicle. Then a viral video appears on your feed. You see a person wipe a simple cloth over a deep gash. The damage disappears instantly. No chemicals are used. No expensive body shop visits are required. Just a splash of water and a piece of fabric. This is the pitch for the latest miracle cloth taking over the internet. I decided to pull back the curtain on this product. The marketing is incredibly slick. It targets the part of us that loves a quick fix. But we have to look at the reality of how car paint actually works. At its core, this product is a high-quality microfiber cloth. It uses extremely fine fibers to create a soft surface. When you add water, it provides a very light level of abrasion. Think of it as ultra-fine sandpaper for your car. For basic cleaning tasks, it is actually quite good. It handles fingerprints on your navigation screen with ease. It removes smudges from your glass. It can even pull dust off your dashboard without leaving a greasy residue. The eco-friendly angle is real too. You are not using disposable wipes. You are not spraying harsh chemicals into the air. That part of the promise is solid. However, the scratch removal claim is where things get complicated. Most modern car paint has three main layers. You have the primer at the bottom. Then you have the base color. Finally, you have the clear coat on top. That clear coat provides the shine and protection. This cloth only works on that very top layer. It can buff out tiny swirl marks. These are those micro scratches that look like spider webs under a street lamp. It polishes the surface and smooths them out. But if you have a deep scratch, this cloth is not going to save you. If someone keyed your car, it is useless. If you scraped a concrete pillar, the cloth cannot reach that deep. A piece of fabric cannot magically replace missing paint. It just does not work that way. It makes you feel like a movie villain finding out the truth. Reality is often disappointing. There is also a major risk you need to consider. You must clean the area perfectly before you start buffing. If there is even one tiny grain of sand on the surface, you will trap it. You will drag that grit across your paint. You will end up with more damage than you started with. That is a disaster waiting to happen. I also found some strange things about the company behind this. I tried to click on their privacy policy and contact terms. Every single link just redirected me back to the homepage. That is a massive red flag for any consumer. It suggests a lack of transparency. Then there is the tech name itself. It is the ultimate buzzword of the decade. In this case, it is mostly just marketing fluff. There is zero independent lab verification for these claims. Researchers have looked at these cloths under microscopes. They do not find any special engineering. They find quality microfiber and a bit of polishing compound. You could achieve the same result with a basic bottle of polish and a standard cloth. You would probably save money too. This product is not a magic wand. It is a decent cleaning tool with a very high price tag. Now you know exactly what you are paying for. It is just a very expensive piece of fabric.